So now that we've set up your YouTube channel and we've gone over how to create a playlist for your video journals, I'm going to walk you through how to use a free tool called Screencast-O-Matic to create your actual video journal. So let's go ahead and go to Screencast-O-Matic, screencast-o-matic.com, hit enter, and it'll take you to their website. Now, if you have a Mac, you're going to have to download the add-in or download the actual recorder, and you'll be prompted to do so once you try to launch the recording. If you have a PC or a Windows computer, it'll automatically launch it for you. So you won't have to download anything. So once the recorder's launched, you'll know it's launched because you'll see this black and white dotted box that goes around your actual screen. And what this is, it's set up right now on this left-hand option, the one that's white here. It's set up to record your screen. So if you wanted to create a screencast and you want to have, let's say you want to share a PowerPoint with somebody, or you want to walk somebody through something on your screen, it'll record your screen. The second option, which is the one you'll probably be using with your video journals, is the webcam option. So you click on this middle part here, and it'll launch your webcam. Sometimes what it'll do is it'll ask you in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see that it says webcam. It has a little drop-down arrow. Sometimes it'll ask you to select which camera you want to use, either because it didn't pick up your camera or because you have more than one camera available. In my case, I only have one camera available and it picked it up. So it's already selected and it's recording, and you'll know because you'll see yourself. So this is the option you'll probably be using, and you want to make sure to state your name. You want to make sure to state what the prompt is, and then go ahead and respond. Now you'll have 15 minutes. It tells you right here, max time. You'll have 15 minutes to record yourself. This is what the free option of the tool does. If you want to record longer than 15 minutes, then you would have to buy the membership. So you have the option for that middle part for the webcam. The third option is that you can do both. So let's say as part of your video journal, you want to show something on your screen, whether it's a PowerPoint, whether it's something that you created, and you want to show the webcam at the bottom right. This is what you would select. You would select the third section, which is to record part of your screen, and then to have you in the bottom right-hand corner. Now, the whole point of a video journal is to show your physical change throughout the program or throughout the course. So make sure that you're showing your webcam in some fashion. So either by using the both option or by only doing the webcam option, which is that middle one right there. So to record, all we have to do is just click on record. We could see right now that our microphone is working because you see the lines moving up and down here. And so if you have more than one mic, again, it'll ask you to pick which mic you want to use. In my case, it picked up my mic from my headphones here. So we'll leave that one as a selected one. And then to start recording, you just click on record. And you'll see it'll give you a little countdown. So 3, 2, 1, go. And then right when it says go, it starts actually recording. And you see the bottom here that you have 15 minutes max that you can record. And it's also picking up your audio. You see the little microphone there. At any point, if you need a break or you're done recording, you can hit pause. And it pauses the recording. You could still see me here, but as you can see, you have the record button there that's red again. That means that you're currently not recording. So a couple things we can do. You can hit play, and preview what you've already recorded. You can preview what you've already recorded. As you can see here, it tells you what second you're at. Let's say you play it up to about, second 10. And you don't like the rest of what you've recorded. You don't like the last few seconds of what you've recorded. You have the option to continue recording at this seeked position. So if I get to second 10 and I notice that I don't really like everything else I've recorded, I can go back and start at that position. Entirely up to you. But in this case, we're just going to go all the way to the end. And then we're going to click continue recording at seek position, and it'll start us again where we left off. So another option that you have here is that you can hit the little trash button, delete everything and start over again. So let's say you were recording something and you messed up and you just want to start over again. Just hit the little trash button and it'll tell you, you'll see here, delete everything and start over, or no. In this case, I'm just going to say no. I'm going to continue recording from the current position. Again, it'll give us a countdown. And then we're off and recording again. So as of now, we've recorded 22 seconds. Let's go ahead and hit the pause button again. And then we're going to go ahead and click done this time. Once you're done recording, you hit done. And then you have right away, it gives you options. Now, the cool part about Screencast-O-Matic is that you have 3 options on what to do with your video. You can, number one, save it as a video file. So you have this option here. It'll download it as an MP4 and you can save it on your computer. I would advise against this because video recordings tend to take up a good amount of room on your computer. And there's no need to save this because you can just upload it directly to your YouTube or to Screencast-O-Matic. The second option is to upload it to the Screencast-O-Matic. If you have a created account through them and you want to save it to your account, you can do that. And then you can go back later, change the title. A couple things you can do. You can download it again as a video file. You have a couple options. The third option, I believe, is the best. Is to upload directly to your YouTube account. Since we already have that playlist set up, and that's where we want to house our video journals, it's just a lot more convenient. So let's go ahead and click Upload to YouTube. Now, I'm already signed in under my account. You probably won't be. So it'll prompt you, once you click here account, it'll prompt you to sign into your YouTube account, and then you'll see something like this. The next thing we want to do is we want to give it a title. You want to make sure to name it with your name, put your name as part of the title. And then alpha beta, maybe it's going to be called prompt 1, something like that. Let's say journal prompt. Journal prompt number 1. You want to make sure to clearly label it so your instructor knows what this is for. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and click publish. Now it's going to take a few minutes. This one's only 21 seconds, so it probably won't take very long. But if you have one that's, I don't know, 10, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, then it's going to take slightly longer. So just be patient, and it all has to do a little bit with internet speed. So let's go ahead and give it a second to let it load. And once it's done loading, I'll show you how we're going to add it to our playlist. So once it's finished, you're going to get the pop-up that looks something like this. And it's already been published to our YouTube. So what we're going to do here is we can click Open Upload. Let's say you mess up and you don't click Open Upload. You just click Done. You can simply sign into your YouTube account and find it within your videos. In this case, since we still have the pop-up, let's go ahead and click Open Upload. Now, because we just uploaded this video, it's going to take a couple minutes for YouTube to process it. So, but as you can see here, it's already been uploaded. So you don't have to worry about it not being uploaded. It's there. So what we want to do, a couple things we can do here. If you want to share only this video, this particular video, you can click on share, and you can get your YouTube URL for this video. You can click copy, and then you can paste it into a body of an email, or you can put it into Blackboard, into the journal feature in Blackboard, and share it that way. But what we want to do is we want to add it to our playlist, because you're going to be creating a few of these if you're doing a video journal. Let's go ahead and click Add To, and then let's find our playlist. In this case, we have it here, YouTube Video Journals. So I'll go ahead and click there, and it's been added, as you can see, added to our playlist. So let's go ahead and go to my channel. I'm going to go to playlists. I'm going to go to YouTube video journals, and you'll see that our student video journal, Alba Beta Journal Prompt number 1, is in here. So it's part of this playlist. So that's how you create a video using Screencast-O-Matic and how you upload it directly to your YouTube account. If you have any questions, feel free to email your instructor or contact CII at cii@brandman.edu.